Hi guys, welcome to Approved Detailing. My name's Abby. Today we're going to be speaking about this 812 Superfast behind me. It's come from the UK. We've just done the interior on it and now the car's going to go through a full transformation. For the paint protection film, it's going from glossy. We're removing the current PPF and we're going to put a satin PPF on it. So join us over the next few days.
Did it all on my own, yeah, when it brought it back home.
Good afternoon. So we're currently in the process of removing the PPF off of the Superfast. So as you can see, the guys over here are starting to remove the PPF on the bonnet. Now, on a Ferrari in particular, it is incredibly meticulous because Ferrari paint, well, Ferraris are some of the best cars in the world, but the paint is some of the very, very temperamental and meticulous you have to be on this kind of thing. The reason is because the cars are hand painted. So of course the surface is never going to be even when you're doing the paint checker, and of course it's always going to be weaker at the edges naturally, and the edges you have to be extremely careful that you don't do any damage to the paint. However, when we have Ferrari clients, we do always warn them of this and make sure that everything's clear, so then there's no nasty surprises. If there is any issues with the paint, we're very, very transparent here. By the way, I think last time we started to film this video before, the steering wheel was not in this car. Just one more mention for the incredible interior on this car. You guys can check out the video where we did the entire interior for this car. So it had no red in it before. And we've even gone so far as the steering wheel, which I think the painted stripe and the red stitching looks incredible to match the rest of the interior as well. I think it makes it really stand out, which stands out with the rest of the car as well. So yeah. Soon we're going to be starting to transform this car into a satin finish with a gloss stripe. So let's check it out in the next few days.
If you want it, I said you can get it confirmed. We done packed the whole stadium like we the one. Ain't in no run, this shit is done. But on these niggas here just for the fun. Got a drinks, I won't try it. If I furnish the drink, they gon' buy it. Yeah, we 50 something like it right. If I said it, then I be lying. Yeah, I know niggas hate all the time. Had to change on my rounds, niggas stealing my song. And I know bitches ain't worth the dime. Had to change on my line, they be wasting my time. Yeah, we got a nurse. That's how you finesse. We come for they necks. We come to collect. Did it all on my own, yeah, when it brought it back home.
So we are partway through our 812 Superfast glossy to satin transformation, as you can see. So we've just been doing the bonnet on here, which by the way is a very difficult piece to do. Back in the day when I first started doing PPF, actually the template, because the bonnet is so big, had seams here and here, and also the roll size material was not wide enough. So now that's not a problem anymore, so you can do it one piece, and in fact we used to kind of stretch it in a way there wouldn't be stretch marks, but it would still be one piece back in the day. Nice little tip for you there. But now another thing to point out whilst the guys are having their lunch break is you will see here, and you may be wondering, why is it gloss and satin here? Of course it's partway through, but if you see, the rear fenders are absolutely massive on this car and there's no break between that and the roof. So there has to be a seam somewhere. So what the guys will do when it's all finished is the seam will actually follow the natural crease in the body there as well. So then you can't see that there's a break in the PPF. So it will always look pretty flawless in the end anyway, despite the fact that it's physically impossible to do one piece on that area. So yeah, let's see how it is when we're starting to finish this job up. So we're at the end of our journey and this is the final result.
Why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again. I got a low tolerance cause they don't even know what the problem is. It's me. You waiting on the boy to fail, then hold your breath and face your death. Cause you play a roulette with each step I progress, no less. Go ahead and place your bets. Cause we know where we at, we know we top tier. Cause all the hate that you bring, we know it stops here. I'm taking off like a rocketeer, ain't stopping here. It's strange how they cannot see the future but see profit here.
What do you all think? I think the results are absolutely astounding. So to recap, we've done full paint protection film on this car. So the paint underneath is glossy and we've now made it satin finish with XPEL style paint protection film. We've also done the striping down the middle, the dream lines. And in the meantime, since we last filmed, the car has got itself a new set of shoes as well. I think they look lovely. And don't forget, before any of this, oh, it's locked. Let me get the key here. Before any of this, if you guys remember, we also did a full video on the interior as well. So absolutely fantastic transformation from the beginning to the end. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Running in the us, we'll gladly send you home again. We don't talk, better know the grind gon' match my walk. I'm a cheat code, I don't take no loss. Making no sense, run up.